When a vehicle comes to your shop, it's critical to repair even the problems you can't see. We're talking about scanning. Next.
This video is sponsored by Autel, manufacturers and suppliers of professional diagnostic tools, equipment, and accessories. Visit autel.com to learn more.
When a vehicle is first inspected, it's easy to see the physical damage, but you're going to need to use a scan tool to see the damage to the vehicle's module, communication networks, sensors, and actuators. But late model vehicles have up to 4 serial data buses and in excess of 25 modules that operate vehicle functions and store codes. If you were to scan each module individually, the process might take an hour, and you still might not hit all of the modules. Some scan tools have an automated scanning feature that can automatically communicate with all of the modules and collect the codes into an easy-to-share report that can be sent to the insurer. Also, by scanning the vehicle before the repair, you can document problems with the vehicle that were not caused by the collision. Another new feature with some scan tools is a feature that can identify modules that are critical to the ADAS system and if they will need to be calibrated as part of the repair process. After the repair is complete, the scan tool can be used to verify if the repairs have been completed and returned to the customer as a fully functional vehicle. Also, the report can be sent to the insurer to verify all repairs were made and you get paid for your time. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.